Many buyers see barber chairs only in showrooms. Today, we'll show you how a barber chair is really made, from raw material to finished product. Every barber chair starts with carefully selected raw materials, and the quality of these foundational materials directly shapes every aspect of the final product. Different materials, from the frame structure to the padding, upholstery, and hardware, mean distinct differences in structural strength, overall stability, weight-bearing capacity, and long-term durability. High-grade raw materials ensure that the chair remains sturdy, reliable, and resistant to wear and tear even under frequent daily use, directly extending its service life and maintaining consistent performance over years. In short, the choice of raw materials is not just a detail, it is the core foundation that determines how strong, stable, and long-lasting every barber chair will truly be. The metal frame serves as the fundamental backbone and structural core of the chair. It bears the entire load, supports daily heavy use, and determines the overall durability, stability, and service life of the product. If this critical component is weak, poorly constructed, or made with substandard materials, no amount of stylish design, luxurious upholstery, or elaborate detailing can compensate for its inherent flaws later on. A sturdy, high-quality metal frame is not just a part of the chair. It is the very foundation that ensures reliability, safety, and long-term performance for both commercial and daily use. This is where comfort, stability, and long-lasting durability truly come together in every barber chair we build. As the foundation of the entire structure, this key component supports daily heavy use, constant movement, and long-term operation in busy salons and barber shops around the world. Every detail in this critical section directly affects overall safety, sitting experience, structural reliability, and service life of the chair. Most long-term structural issues, stability failures, wobbling, noise, and premature wear and tear start right here. If this part is rushed, made with inferior materials, poorly manufactured, or assembled without strict quality control and professional craftsmanship. Cutting corners at this stage may save a little time and cost in production, but it will only lead to frequent breakdowns, safety hazards, costly repairs, returns, complaints, and dissatisfied customers down the line. Every process is carefully controlled, every connection is firmly secured, and every detail is thoroughly inspected to ensure consistent performance and long service life. Because real quality, reliable products, and sustainable partnerships start with every critical detail we build into each barber chair. Assembly is not just putting parts together. It is about precise alignment, perfect balance, and careful adjustment at every step. Every detail matters. Each component is positioned with accuracy, calibrated for stability, and fine-tuned to ensure reliable performance, durability, and consistent quality in the final product. Before shipping, every finished barber chair from our factory goes through strict, step-by-step quality control. Each chair is carefully wrapped, securely packed in reinforced boxes, and properly loaded into containers with professional handling. We control every detail of packaging and loading to make sure your order arrives safe and intact. Once shipped, any damage, shifting, or packaging issues will be much harder to fix, leading to delays, extra costs, and unnecessary trouble for you. This is the true method of making a professional barber chair. There are no shortcuts, No compromises and no cutting corners, only strict, consistent craftsmanship that runs from the very first step to the final finished product. We begin with carefully selected, high-grade raw materials and premium components chosen for strength, stability, and long-term performance. Every stage follows precise standards, precise cutting, professional welding, careful surface treatment, meticulous decoration, accurate assembly, and multiple layers of strict quality inspection. Each step is tightly controlled, fully standardized, and personally inspected to guarantee outstanding stability, lasting comfort, and exceptional durability. This is the real, complete production process, from raw materials to finished, ready-to-use barber chairs, professionally designed and built exclusively for commercial salons, barbershops, and professional beauty businesses worldwide. Real factory, real manufacturing, distribution partners welcome.